Hello there. Welcome to Adding Users Basic Training. Today we'll talk about how to add team members as users to your account. Let's dive in. First, let's walk through the basics of adding a user. Log into your site and click the gear symbol. Then click Add User. Fill out the contact form and decide whether to give them the ability to add and delete users as an admin or make them a standard user. Once complete, click Save. To invite the new user to officially join your account, you can do one of two options. First, you can invite them using the magic link. Simply click the email icon to send them an invite to their email. Secondly, your team member can use their email to log into the account anytime. They'll immediately start the onboarding experience. In the next slide, I'll walk through exactly what this process looks like from the user's perspective. First, click the team member login located at the bottom right section of the home page of your site. You can also log in from PMA's website by clicking Login. Next, sign in using either your Gmail, Microsoft email, or by manually entering your email. Remember, you have to use the same email that's in the account. Now it's time to go through the onboarding and to accept the terms of service. Finally, you're in. It's as easy as that. To wrap things up, here's what we covered today. First, we discussed how to log in and add a user. Next, we learned how to invite the user to the team using either the magic link invite or by manually logging in from PMA's or your own website. Finally, we learned what the login experience is like for a new user. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.